We got tomahawks today, baby. Woo! What? Woo! What? Come on, tomahawk steaks. Let's get these ribeyes started, baby. Welcome to Cut Loose. Today, we got some tomahawk steaks. You know how we do it on Cut Loose. We do it big. We do big things on Cut Loose. Always. Big tomahawk ribeye steaks. Come on, huh? You already know what's gonna happen here. We got some pink Himalayan salt. We got some black pepper. We got a little red vino. Little red wine vinegar. It's gonna tenderize the meat. We got some basil. We got some basil, parsley, and rosemary. I got a little blend in here going on. That's gonna go on top as well. We got some garlic salt, and we got some paprika. But if you see my other videos, you know about this. So I'm not even gonna explain that. If you wanna know more about that, watch my other videos. Hit the link up top. And also don't forget to hit subscribe down below. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the dry rub first. Yo, we out here like the Flintstones eating big. You know what I'm saying? Eating. I had a pause moment in my mind. I'm not even gonna say it. Let's just salt these steaks up. Salt it up. Salt it up. You know what I mean? All around. Nice and easy. Look at the marbleization. Look at all that marbleization. Come on, man. That's gonna be a nice, tender, juicy ribeye tomahawk steak. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Stop doubting me. Just believe what I'm doing. Let's try it. Go to the supermarket, get yourself 2 tomahawk steaks, and just do this. It's easy. The grilling process is even easier. You might be intimidated by the size of these steaks, but don't be intimidated. It's too easy. You just gotta stop worrying about it. Come on, you know how we do it on Cut Loose. We don't worry on Cut Loose. We just don't worry about it. We just do shit. You know what I mean? Just do it. All that salt. Stop worrying about it. It's gonna be scrumptious. Scrumptious. You know what I'm saying? I got my tomahawk so nice and salted. Now let's put on some garlic. All it takes. Nothing to it. Right now we're moving on to black pepper. Got the basil, the parsley, and the rosemary there. We're gonna put these bad boys in a bag, in a Ziploc bag, each in their own individual one, because these some hefty boys, you know what I mean? Some big ass. Yeah, and we're gonna put them in the Ziploc bag, right? And we're gonna put the red wine vinegar blend of loveliness stuff and garlic and all kinds of stuff in there. We're gonna add the red wine vinegar. All of that is gonna go all in the Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna let it soak in the juices and the seasonings for about maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then we're gonna put these bad boys on the grill. So let's get these boys in the bag. And add the liquid seasoning. So I got my Ziploc bags here. Put 1 in each one. Boom. Gotta make it work. You know what I mean? Share this with your friends and your family. Share it. Don't be selfish. Don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Let everybody enjoy it. Let everybody do this. Let everybody learn a little bit. You know what I mean? I poured my seasoning in the bags. I got it to close. Also added the basil, the parsley, and the rosemary blend. I'll give you a close-up so you can have a better look at it. This is what we got going on. Some tomahawk steaks, baby. Tomahawk ribeye steaks. Oh, Oh, I think I broke the bag. Aw, damn. Be right back. Some nice seasoned tomahawk steaks. We're gonna leave these in there. We're gonna leave these in here for about 2-3 hours. Let it marinate, let it soak up them juices. Let that vinegar tenderize the meat. So when you cook it on the grill, it's nice and soft right off, nice and juicy. So I'll be back around 2 or 3 hours with the grill nice, hot, and ready. And let's get these bad boys on the grill. Come on now, you know how we do it on Cut Loose. We stay making delicious dishes. Delicious dishes, baby. You already know what I'm doing out here. Come on, we cutting loose. All right, it's been about 3 hours. We got the grill hot and ready. Close it up, get nice and hot. We're about to put these bad boys on the grill, baby. It's time. It's been 3 hours. Took a little nap. It's time. It's time, because these bad boys are gonna take some time to cook as well. Just cook it nice and slow. Let's get it. Cut loose style, baby. Let's go. All right, we got the first one going on. Look at all that flavor. Come on, man. Come on, man. Look at all that flavor. First one going on. Let's get it. Number 2. Woo! Come on now. Just leave them there. You know what I mean? Got the ribeyes on the top rack, cooking it nice and slow. That's it. Nice and slow. And as it's cooking, add a little bit of my sauce, you know what I mean? This is the sauce that I had in that glass bottle. Put it in here, it makes it easier to squirt on, you know? Squirt on, you know what I'm saying? Come on now. Oh man, things are happening. And we got some surprise bread on the side with my special recipe. Woo! If you didn't see the first episode, make sure you watch the first episode. It gives you some instruction on how to make that bread fire. But we focus on the steaks right now. Come on, man, look at this. Come on now. We got this grill lit right now. We got this grill super lit. Come on, man. You know how we do it. You know how I do it on Cut Loose, baby. Tomahawk steaks. Let's get it all day, baby. About to put these on the plate. I'm going to cut it up nice and sliced. You're going to see a nice medium rare, beautiful steak. Let's go, baby. This is how I do it on Cut Loose. Nighttime, daytime, raining, not, sunshine, whatever you want to call it. We do it all day on Cut Loose. Let's get it. Let's get this back on the grill. Hey. Fire. Fire. All right, we got the ribeye tomahawks in the house. We got them all nice and set up. We got some pita breads on the side. Butter those up, put them on the grill. We got the pizza bread. We got a little sauce on the side, a little olive oil sauce, a little ají on the sauce. If you haven't checked out the past videos, make sure you do. It explains how to make that ají, baby. Just hit the link up top. So let's cut these up, get them nice and sliced, make a nice platter for the family to enjoy. We got the steaks all sliced up. We got some medium well on the right side, some medium rare on the left side. A little bit for everybody. You already know what it is. Listen, do I need to say anything? Oh man. I scared the shit out of me. Because I was like, hey, everybody. Hey. Do I need to say any more? Nah, I don't think I need to say anything. It speaks for itself. We got the tomahawks done. You saw how easy it was. Listen, make sure you follow my steps because I'm putting you on. Make sure you do this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now let me go feed my family before this food gets cold. And don't forget, always cut loose. Have a good one.